Hi everyone, welcome to SferaAI tutorial. Today we are diving into the importance of having an Instagram business page and how to set it up step by step. Let's jump right in. Why is having an Instagram business page so crucial for your business? Well, there are three main benefits. First, this gives you valuable analytics about your followers and how your posts are performing. It helps you understand what content resonates best with your audience. Second, with a business page, you can run ads to reach more people and even sell products directly through Instagram shopping. It's a great way to boost your sales. And the last one is your business profile makes it easy for customers to find you, contact you, and engage with your content. It enhances your customer service and builds stronger relationships. So, creating an Instagram business page can really boost your business. Now, let's walk through how to set it up for your own business. First, open the Instagram app or go to instagram.com and log in to your account. On your profile page, click the settings logo in the top right corner to open the menu. This icon looks like three horizontal lines or a gear, depending on your device. In the menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page with various options. Under For Professional, select Account Type and Tools. This section is specifically designed for users who want to use Instagram for business purposes. Next, click Switch to Professional Account. You'll be given two options, Creator or Business. Select Business to proceed and then click Next. You'll now be prompted to select a category for your business. Choose the category that best describes your business from the list provided. Once you've made your selection, click Done and then Continue. Now, fill in your business contact information. Just include your email address, phone number, and business address. This information will be displayed on your profile, making it easy for customers to contact you. Your Instagram business page setup is now complete. You can personalize your profile by adding a profile pictures and updating your bio with a short description of your business. With your new business account, you will have access to valuable features. You can view details inside about your post engagement and reach, which can help you understand your audience better. Additionally, you can also run ads directly from Instagram to promote your business. This can help you to reach audience and grow your customers. Thanks for watching and get started to SferaAI to boost your sales.